Hi, let's create this design using Canva. As usual, you can use the same process to recreate any design of your choice. Let's get started. Click on custom size. I used 1080 by 1530 for this particular design. Click on create new design. Now the first thing you want to do is to change the color of the background, and to do that, click on the canvas, you click on background color, and then you come to add a new color. I'm going to use FDD22A. So you hit enter. The next thing you do is to click on your elements, then you search for modern pattern, hit enter. Click on this very one, you change the color to white, that's FFFF. Hit enter. Take it to the corner. Now you drag it downwards, just a little over halfway. Hit Alt and then drag downwards, holding Shift to duplicate and maintain the line. Yeah, I think I'll drag it a little more outward, just like that. Now so I hit Shift and then click to select the multiple. Now I'm gonna hold Alt and drag outward to duplicate, and then hold the Shift to maintain the line, just like this. Next thing, I'm gonna go to apps and then search for pixels. Hit enter. Click on the pixels app. Even before that, I would like to add some guides or some rulers or rules. Hit Shift and then R to bring up your rules. My first vertical rule is going to be around 168. Hit Ctrl plus to zoom in for accuracy. There we go. My next vertical guide is going to be around 916, I mean. Now for the horizontal guides, the first one is going to be a 476, drag downward. The next one 1054. So now we come to pixels and then we search for a male in business style clothing. I'm gonna use this one, so I'm just gonna drag and drop, or you can also click on it. I need the width to be about 179.4. so to get an accurate weight, you come to the position, you click on it, and then you come to the width side 179.4. hit enter. I double click to change the area that's been cropped. I'm gonna drag it this way. Now I hold Alt and then drag. I want it to be about 10 centimeters apart. Okay, so first I'd have to lock my background to prevent it from moving. Now I can hold Alt and drag, holding Shift. Next, I'm going to search for elegant black businesswoman with crossed arms. I'm going to use this very one, just drag and drop. Click, drag and drop. Very easy. I double click so that, let me hide my ruler, Shift out to hide him. And I'm going to scale the crop just a little bit. Next, I'm going to search for stylish men posing together. Next, I'm going to hit R to add my rectangles. So that's the color code. I'm not going to mention it. So now I want it to be about 12 centimeters apart. Okay, so I'm going to hold Shift and then hit the down arrow to bring it 10 centimeters closer. one more time, so now it's at 12. Now I'm gonna make the width almost the same as that of the images. Let me check the position. Height should be about 208.9. So I usually hold the Alt to know the distance between the two elements. Right, so I click on one element, then I hold Alt and then click on the other element to know the distance between the two. So for this one, the height is going to be 324. That's okay. Hold Alt, drag outward, holding the shift. So I'm going to drag all of these downward, holding Alt and shift. I'm going to drag these ones upward. Perfect. So we are going to add our text. To add the text, you hit T and then you drag them wherever you want them to be. So for this particular text, I'm going to use Canva Sans, and I'm also going to use prompt bold. I don't want to keep too long on this tutorial, so I'm just going to copy my text and then bring them here, and then I'll show you how I did it. So there we go. I copied my logo as well. So this is what it is. For the Canva Sans, I used 14.1 pixels, or what's the name? Just the size should be 14.1. Alright, and then you drag them towards this upper left corner. Alright, so it's left aligned, as you can see over here, and the colors are white. For the poker face, for the other text, I used prompt bold. So to add the prompt bold, you just hit T, right, and then you come over here and then you click on your font. You can search for the prompt bold over here. Hit enter, and then you click on it just like that, and then you scale it up. I think for this one it's about 66, so you just enter the 66 over here, and then you click on this, and then you rotate it just like that. Alright, and then at the end of everything you add your logo. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.